Welcome to the Marineff boat mooring deployment video. My name is Jess Bone and I'm a research assistant for the Marineff project. This video will show you how the Marineff boat moorings were deployed at 3 sites off the north coast of France. Once the Marineff boat moorings were manufactured and delivered, they had to be immersed on the selected sites. First, the 3 parts of the boat mooring module were assembled and then immersed at 3 locations. These locations had been confirmed by divers as suitable sites for the Marineff boat mooring deployment. Then, the boat moorings were fixed to the reef. For this, each site was studied in order to determine the ideal location for the boat mooring, both in terms of safety for the surrounding reef and the mooring, in terms of health and safety and ease of access to the site for divers, and scientific interest for the French National Museum of Natural History. The precise GPS points of each location were therefore recorded before the immersion of the Marineff boat moorings. All the parts of all 4 Marineff boat moorings were delivered to the port of Dinard in France to be assembled and stored before the immersion. On the day of immersion, the boat moorings were loaded onto the barge thanks to a crane at the port of Dinard that is usually used to load and unload ships. Target plates were fixed to each boat mooring to facilitate the use of photogrammetry during monitoring, which relies on a fixed point to produce comparable images. Local company Brittany Underwater Works carried out each immersion in autumn of 2020. On the day of the dive, the team from the French National Museum of Natural History marked out the surface of the dive site to facilitate the installation of the boat moorings by Brittany Underwater Works. Then, the team followed the immersion by diving before taking images and guiding the barge and crane to the precise point of installation. A scuba diver in direct connection with the surface assisted with guiding the boat moorings as they were lowered to the seabed. Once the boat mooring was placed on the substrate, the diver connected the mooring at 2 points on the substrate using a stainless steel chain in order to stabilize and avoid the displacement of the mooring during the project. And finally, the team attached the eco-friendly anchorage to the boat mooring modules. Thanks for watching. There are more videos in the boat mooring series which are listed on screen. Be sure to also visit our social media and the Marineff project website for more resources.